Hello and welcome to a new YouTube video on my YouTube channel, and today I want to introduce you to Bybit and to the trading on Bybit. And I'm sure that you already know that Bybit is one of the biggest exchanges in the cryptocurrency space worldwide. For example, CoinMarketCap listed them in the spot section on place 3 with a trading volume of nearly $5 billion in the last 24 hours just with spots. And they also have perpetual trading and many more. So I will show you everything about Bybit today in the basics, because this will be one video which will give you a basic overview, also how to deposit, how to trade and anything. So let's start. And as you maybe saw in the last few months, airdrops are very hyped, and Bybit is doing many things with campaigns, many USDT rewards, many airdrop things. For example, the Bybit X safe airdrop with 150,000 safe tokens is also here. They are doing really a lot of different giveaways which you can check out. And here you can see their top trading tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on. Also the top gainers. So really a lot of different cryptocurrencies which you can trade here. They have a huge amount of different tokens. They have copy trading, they have an earn feature, they have a trading bot, they have a trade GPT, which is your personalized AI trading assistant. They have a Bybit card. You can have a unified trading account. And they also have Bybit Web 3, which is a very good next level reliability, innovation and opportunity. You can trade anytime and anywhere, which means that you can trade on iOS, Android easily with just downloading the app on the App Store on iOS or on the Google Play Store on Android. If you need help, there's also a 24/7 customer support. There's many of different FAQ pages and the Learn section. Also, they are a proud principal team partner of Oracle Red Bull Racing. So as you see, they are really a huge company. And you can simply deposit your cryptocurrencies here through the Buy Crypto button with the one-click buy, the P2P trading, fiat deposit or crypto deposit. So for example, the fiat deposit works really simple. You can just say, I want to deposit euros, for example, and then I can choose which payment method I want. Wallet.com, for example, which is a real-time transfer, or SEPA, or also Easy Bank Payment, Ideal, SEPA Transfer Netherlands, Zen.com. There are many different things, and for example, Wallet has 0 fees, so you can use it to deposit 10,000 euros, and for example, we still have a very good conversion rate with real time and 0 fees. Also, if you want to, you can just deposit cryptocurrencies, which is also very nice. And for example, you want to deposit USDT on the different blockchains, you can choose which one you want. For example, TRC20, and then you need to do a KYC. This is currently an account to show you this, how it works, to show you how this works. So I haven't done the KYC on this account, but simply you need to upload your ID card and the selfie, and that's it. So it takes like 3 minutes to complete identity verification, and once done, you can do the deposit. But there's also the one-click buy section and the P2P trading, where you can also easily buy cryptocurrency. So for example, you want to use 100 euros to directly invest into Ethereum. That's easily possible with Google Pay, for example, also, or things like MoonPay, BTC Direct, Banksa, Wise, a bank card like Visa, and many more. So you see, there's a huge opportunity how to get into this, and there are many different methods. And let's have a look in the markets. And here in the markets, we can see the market sentiment, which is neutral. So currently the market is going down. So cryptocurrencies aren't that hyped anymore. But I think that this will just be as in the last bull run, and in the next few months at the end of the year, all cryptocurrencies will get hyped. And for this, you should be prepared with different cryptocurrencies. So you can buy these on the Bybit spot market. The link for this is also in the video description below. It's an affiliate link, so you would support me if you use it. Here you can see all of the different trading pairs you can trade, and you see it's 28 pages. So it's really a lot, and you can sort it through the trading volume. So the most traded cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, then Ethereum on USDC and Ethereum on USDT, then Bitcoin on USDC and Solana, XRP, USDC itself, and many more. So that's how you can view the different spot cryptocurrencies, and then just simply click on trade and you can trade it. Also, if you want to trade, for example, margin trading or using derivatives like the USDT perpetuals, you can go on derivatives and click on, for example, BTC USDT as USDT perpetual. Now you can use a leverage of up to 100x if you want to. Just click on this leverage and adjust it. But I wouldn't suggest this to you. I would suggest that you use a leverage like maximum 10x. but in the most cases 2 or even 3x is the best for you. So that's my own opinion, that's how I would do it. So please do your own decisions. This is how the overview for a Bitcoin USDT perpetual looks like. You can see the different stats, you can see the funding rate. The funding rate currently is positive, so which means that if the funding rate is positive, long position holders will pay short position holders. So if you're a short position holder, you receive every 8 hours 0.01% currently. Also here on the right side you can see the trade section, so you can see you can do a cross margin trade, isolated margin or a portfolio margin. You can set the leverage, you can have a calculator on the profit loss, target price, entry price, and so on. So for example, in the entry price is our last price, the close price will be 60,000 for example, which is easily achievable, and we are trading with 1 Bitcoin with a 10x leverage. We can see that our initial margin would be 5,700 USDT. We see the profit loss, which is 2,280 USDT. We can see the profit loss in percent, the ROI, and so on. And that's how everything looks like, pretty simple. Also the same for shorts, and in general, a very nice calculator. You can set if you want to trade a market order or limit order. You can use the conditionals to use a trigger price, and you can set take profits, stop loss. For example, you want to order 1 Bitcoin and do a take profit. We can do this, and you can have an awesome calculator, so really a good calculator and a very good overview. Down below you can see the margin mode, the initial margin, the margin balance, the contract details. Here you can see your positions, the profit and loss, the current orders, the order history, the trade history, and also tools. So there are tools like, for example, chase limit orders, TWAP, icebergs, scaled orders, webhook signal trading, position builder, copy trading. There are many different things. So iceberg, for example, are hidden orders where large orders are split into smaller batches. So there are really a lot of different professional tools also here if you want to use them. And that's most of everything that's into trading here. So the tools are really huge there. So there are also financial tools like, for example, the earn feature, which we can also have a look into it. So there's an earning on BTC, for example, with flexible savings, which are 2.5%. Liquidity mining is also available on USDT, for example. You can also have a flexible savings of 7.45%. Also do liquidity mining with up to 81% with fixed terms 100%. So if you click on buy now, you can see that this is for new users exclusive, but also a very cool method to show the users how everything works like. Then you also have crypto loans with a high loan to value ratio. For example, you could borrow 1000 USDT, and then everything here will be explained. So that's everything you need to know to use this website. For now, there's also an affiliate program, a great broker program, a VIP program, referral program, rewards hub, institutional services, and many more. So there are really a lot of different features you can use here. In the best case, just check it out by your own. Also the Web3 feature. So there's an own Web3 section of Bybit, which is just dedicated for degens, where you can create your own Bybit wallet if you want to, which is currently live. It's also in the Chrome extension. There are also Web3 airdrops here, Ethena bonus, for example, the TAS, TGE, the Sturkey, X Orange Finance, Arbitrum giveaway, and many more. So check it out and have a good trade. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.